Beavers, you will go on my first whistle. Scout leaders, you will go on my second whistle. 3, 2, 1.
If you are watching this vlog going, Mark, what are you talking about? Well, you haven't seen the latest over on BBC One, Gladiators. I am so excited. Gladiators returns back on the box after, I don't know, something like 20 years or something. I remember as a young child on Saturday night, watching it with my family on the sofa, shouting, screaming, looking at the lovely jet. And it's just brilliant that it's back on our screens and my kids are having just as much fun as when me and my wife were that age watching it on Saturday night with our parents. And it got me thinking, what gladiator name would I be Scout related? Here's what I come up with. 10 Scout Gladiator names. What do you think of them? Let's go traditional with Skip. Arcala. My old nickname when I started in the hospital, Tent. The reason Tent, Marquee, you know, the big kind of tent, Mark. So when I used to work in the mortuary, they used to call me Tent as my nickname. So I thought that'd be a cool gladiator name. How about Ember? Traditional name. Scout. What about this one? Fire Steel. Patrol. Flame. Taking this one off Bear Grylls. Bear. And my last gladiator name. We all love a bit of this. Pyro. There you go, Scout leaders. My gladiator names. If I could pick one of those to be on Gladiators. What would your gladiator name be? Comment below.